Good afternoon. Message for Kieran. Kieran, hi, hope you're well. And nice to hear you're still using the 650. They're such amazing creatures, the 650s. So thank you for buying the P25. She's not been run since I did the video. Don't know when I last videoed her. Is it? Maybe it's a week or so ago. So this is exactly how she'll run from cold. Kill switch, throttle lock, choke. I don't know if you've ever had one of these with the with this easy start system. It's so strange when you pull them, just no compression. And choke off. Kieran, hope you love the saw. They really are becoming so rare now as well with this, some of the early pioneers becoming so rare. So I'm sure she's going to be a great addition to your collection, and love to hear what you think of this original Pioneer bar. Just beautiful. All right, many thanks. Hope we deal again. Bye for now.